balconies ruining your comfort? EcoBox stops heat loss in its tracks, letting rebar pass through walls without creating cold bridges. That means no more condensation, no mold, just cozy, energy-efficient spaces that feel like part of your home. Fully customizable with CAD and BIM data, and insulated with top-tier materials like phenolic foam and mineral wool, up to 12 centimeter thick. Smart, seamless, and built to save. Imagine a 30-meter tower printed by robots, layer by layer, like squeezing out toothpaste. This isn't sci-fi, it's Tour Alva, the world's tallest 3D printed structure, rising from a tiny Swiss village with just 11 people. Built with 2 synchronized robots, one layering special concrete, the other reinforcing it every 26 centimeter. It's part theater, part art, and all innovation. It's not just changing skylines, it's reviving entire communities by pulling in curious tourists and breathing new life into forgotten places. They moved an 850-ton brick building, sideways and backward, with millimeter precision. Wolf House and building movers used 34 hydraulic jacks, each rated at 100 tons, to glide massive structures like it's no big deal. Brick, block, log, no material is too tough, no size too massive. Their work doesn't just preserve history, it repositions it with surgical accuracy, so buildings can stand strong for another 130 years. When Alabama needed a bridge expansion done right, they chose Mevalite, and wow, did it deliver! This aluminum formwork is unbelievably light at just 39 kilograms per panel, yet it holds a massive 6.5 tons per square meter. That's serious strength without the back-breaking weight. Fast setup, solid performance, and zero compromise. Mevalite is the kind of gear crews dream of. No cranes? No scaffolding. The SCF-60 self-climbing formwork system builds skyscrapers over 300 meters tall, safely, efficiently, and in any weather. It slashes labor and material costs while shielding crews from falling debris and harsh conditions. Used on Germany's tallest residential tower, it meets EU, UK, and US safety standards, and comes with full design and project support. This isn't just construction, it's next-level vertical innovation. Leaks in your bathroom? Not with Mapagar WP200 on the job. This ultra-thin 0.5mm membrane is a waterproofing powerhouse, built with a smart, layered design that wraps around pipes, bonds to concrete, and is ready for tile right after install. Perfect for tight spaces, damp zones, and anyone who wants lasting protection without bulky materials. Say goodbye to moisture nightmares and hello to peace of mind. What turns a building into a landmark? Harman's custom curtain walls don't just shield, they transform architecture into art. From a 53-story tower wrapped in 38,000 square meters of panels to a massive hospital complex, every facade is a masterpiece of precision, performance, and pure visual impact. It's not just construction, it's engineering that makes people look up and stare. Need sliding doors, balcony access, or massive panoramic windows? Schuco Perfect does it all, and lives up to its name every time. It fits new builds, renovations, even industrial sites, with installation so fast it can take just 10 minutes. Want insect screens or shutters? Order everything from one place. No hassle, no headaches. Flexible, flawless, and seriously efficient. Why settle for less when you can have perfect? A Tash 12,000-ton bridge installed in just 5 days. HS2 engineers crushed timelines on the A46 in Warwickshire using cutting-edge push systems to slide a bridge 64 meters with pinpoint accuracy. No endless detours, no chaos, just round-the-clock precision that turned years of disruption into a matter of days. This is infrastructure done fast, done right, and done with mind-blowing tech. A 6-meter-high, 65-meter-long stone wall, built entirely by an autonomous excavator. This genius machine from ETH Zurich maps the site in 3D, analyzes every stone's weight, shape, and center of gravity, then places it perfectly, all on its own. It's not just smart, it's redefining construction as we know it. And in disaster zones, it could be a total game changer. What if one formwork system could do it all? Mivadeck gives you 3 methods in one: drop head beam panel, primary secondary beam, and full panel, using the same components every time. Mix and match freely to fit any layout with lightning-fast setup, fewer delays, and no guesswork. It's lighter, easier to clean, and built to boost speed without sacrificing precision. Construction just got smarter and way more flexible. Mud, sludge, industrial waste. AceTube handles it all like a pro. This flexible geotextile container filters water on site, trapping contaminants fast and affordably. Need custom filtration? Just add flocculants and tweak the structure to your exact needs. It's UV, acid, and alkali resistant, even tough enough for mining. Who knew cleaning up waste could be this smart and simple? A bridge that's 60% lighter than steel and 80% lighter than concrete. Fiberline's fiberglass bridges don't rust, don't corrode, and laugh in the face of seawater and -40°C temps. They're insanely durable, ultra-low maintenance, and fully recyclable at the end of their life. This isn't just smart engineering, it's the future of green infrastructure, and it's already here. Tired of gravel turning into a muddy mess? Core Drive 5035 HD locks it down, literally. Just 3 centimeters thick, yet it slashes gravel use by up to 60% and still holds an insane 450 tons per square meter. Walk, roll, or drive over it. This grid stays solid, smooth, and super accessible. Finally, stability that actually lasts. Green roofs used to be a luxury, but with TundraBox, they're a no-brainer. This modular system comes with trays, substrate, and pre-grown plants, so your roof's already alive when it arrives. No fertilizer needed in the first year, just water it. It cuts AC costs, boosts sound insulation, and supports urban biodiversity. It's low maintenance, eco-friendly, and looks absolutely stunning. Why isn't every roof doing this already? Psychocrete 733 is not just concrete, it's a 3D printing revolution. Designed for robots, perfected for builders, this mix pumps effortlessly at low pressure, sets lightning fast, and barely shrinks. Goodbye cracks. Whether it's bold architecture or intricate art, this formula delivers precision, strength, and speed like never before. Ready to build the future layer by layer. Why wait 28 days for concrete to cure when you can reopen roads in just 3 hours? Fast-Track's hybrid polymer concrete is engineered with high-performance resins and aggregates for lightning-fast strength, extreme weather resistance, and decades-long durability. Perfect for bridges and road repairs where every minute counts. This stuff doesn't just set fast, it outlasts the rest. Who knew concrete could be this smart? A 7 kilograms origami-inspired column that holds 2.1 tons. Engineers at the University of Michigan turned ancient paper art into ultra-strong foldable structures, perfect for bridges, canopies, even disaster zones and space missions. No glue, no scissors, just genius design that distributes weight with mind-blowing efficiency. Who knew folds could replace forklifts? BSF Enertite is the game changer your building's been waiting for. This advanced thermal insulation material traps heat like a pro, slashing energy costs and keeping your space cozy all year round. It's lightweight, durable, and eco-friendly, designed to fit seamlessly into any structure. Why settle for ordinary insulation when you can supercharge your comfort and efficiency? BS Type makes every degree count. Enduramat is a total game changer for construction sites. No more mud, no more mess. Just solid, reliable ground protection that actually works. These tough polymer panels crush plywood and steel under pressure, handling loads up to 80 tons with ease. At just 32 kilograms, they're lightweight but insanely strong. Plus, they don't soak up chemicals, so you can reuse them anywhere without hassle. And the best part? When you're done, they don't clog landfills, they get recycled. Smart, durable, and eco-friendly. What's not to love? The Bullfrog Track 2 transforms concrete finishing with its rope-pulled, handleless design, perfect for tight spaces and massive pours. Say goodbye to long, awkward handles. Its auto-tilt mechanism ensures a smooth, even finish every time. Available in 4 to 10 feet sizes, it tackles any slab with ease. Need more power? The Track 2 M Series adds a lithium iron phosphate battery and motor, covering up to 12,000 square feet per charge. It even alerts you when the battery's low. Choose between C-channel or flat-ribbed floats for maximum versatility. With models in 4 and 6 feet sizes and effortless maneuverability using a 50-feet rope, this tool slashes labor and boosts finish quality. Every contractor's dream tool. Struggling with noise that just won't quit? Cleanio acoustic boards are your secret weapon against sneaky, low-frequency sounds that wreck your peace and your health. These gypsum panels don't just soak up echo and noise, they slash stress, fatigue, even blood pressure. Plus, they clean the air by capturing nasty pollutants like tobacco smoke with built-in zeolite. Feel the difference in just 2 hours. Quiet, clean, and healthy spaces, finally within your reach. Meet the Eurobrick X-Clad system, a revolutionary external wall solution that slashes energy use by up to 70% compared to traditional brickwork. With a lifespan of over 25 years and virtually no maintenance, it blends durability with classic brick aesthetics. Its extruded polystyrene panels offer powerful insulation, cutting heat loss, lowering heating bills, and shrinking your carbon footprint. Lightweight and quick to install, just 7.38 pounds per square foot, it's ideal for retrofits, modular builds, and new construction alike. No need for new foundations or heavy groundwork. X-Clad fits timber, steel, or masonry walls and comes in custom thicknesses from 0.67 to 3.94 inches. Even better, it preserves architectural charm in sensitive renovations or historical upgrades. Imagine an elevator powered by air pressure. No cables, no pit, just smooth, sleek motion. Pneumatic vacuum elevators fit anywhere, plug into a standard outlet, and carry up to 3 people or 238 kilograms effortlessly. Perfect for homes, including wheelchair users. Compact, safe, and built to strict EU standards. It's not just an elevator, it's the future of convenience right in your home. Chinese builders just shattered the limits of speed with B-core slabs. Imagine a 10-story building going up in under 29 hours. These panels are steel-strong but shockingly light, 10 times lighter than concrete. Filled with insulation and ready for modular magic, they snap together like giant Lego blocks for insanely fast, efficient construction. Revolutionizing building forever. Meet BIM Printer, the robotic powerhouse that rolls through construction sites with laser precision. Powered by CAD data and synced with Leica, Topcon, and Trimble, it lays out markings flawlessly every time. Fully automatic or controlled from your tablet or phone, this robot never tires, never takes breaks, and keeps grinding through lunch. Imagine cutting errors, boosting efficiency, and transforming your site into a smart digital powerhouse. The future of construction is here, and it's unstoppable. Ten colossal tunnel boring machines, each longer than a football field and a half, are tearing through British soil right now. They're building over 100 kilometers of high-speed rail tunnels, 90 meters underground, to link London with the West Midlands, all while keeping cities above whisper quiet. With 30,000 experts behind the scenes, this isn't just construction. It's one of Europe's biggest infrastructure marvels in motion. Now, a Bentafix is a game-changer in containment solutions. This geosynthetic clay liner fuses high-swelling sodium bentonite between two tough geotextile layers, creating a self-sealing hydraulic barrier that stops liquid seepage fast. Ideal for landfills, wastewater plants, and mining, its self-healing clay swells on contact with water to seal gaps instantly. The needle punch structure resists shear and handles steep slopes like a pro. Thermal lock technology boosts stability, while wide rolls with overlapping seals make installation quick and easy. It crushes traditional clay liners with superior strength, low permeability, and ISO, CE, and BBA certifications. Available in versions like Bentafix X, X Green, and Carbopol X, customizable power for demanding terrains and critical infrastructure.